I'm going to show you how to add margin in Canva. So it's quite simple. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So in order to go to margin, you have to go to the file over here and let's go to settings, and you can see show rulers and guides, and there's an option of show margin. So let's tap in there, and this is the margin. So yeah, and this is the automatic option, but if you want to do it manually, there's another option, like go to settings again, show rulers and guide. So for instance, let's say this is the one, you can simply move it further and put it over here. And since we don't have one at this like right corner, you can simply move the same thing over here and put it here. There's a purple that shows that it's perfect. So let's go to the top section and do it likewise. Since we don't have anything down, let's down over here. So yeah, this is how you add margins. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.